Kitchen 101. A cup of invigorating tea is one of life's simple pleasures. Today we'll show you how to brew a perfect cup of whole leaf tea that engages the senses and warms the soul. First, look for a whole leaf tea that isn't scented, flavored, or contains any added spices. Additives cover up the true taste and fragrance of tea and are usually used to mask lower quality leaves. Then, of course, pick a variety that matches your palate, whether you're craving fruity, peppery, sweet, or tangy flavors. Like anything else, fine quality tea leaves might cost a bit more, but they also yield more servings over multiple infusions. The added upfront costs more than pays for itself in the end, and you're getting a better taste experience. When you're ready, start placing your tea in the tea bag. Make sure you use a pouch big enough to give the leaves room to expand and maximize the flavor and aroma they can generate. Next, the water. Fill your kettle with cold spring or filtered water. Then bring it to a boil. Make sure you check the recommended temperature for your tea. You don't want to burn the leaves, as that creates a bitter flavor. Pour a little hot water into your teapot, swirl it around for 5 seconds, and pour it out. This gets the teapot at the optimum temperature to receive the tea. Finally, add the tea bag and pour the boiled water on top. Allow it to steep for 3 to 5 minutes, then stir and pour it into your teacup. If the flavor is too acidic or bitter, look at reducing the number of leaves, shortening the steep time, or lowering the water temperature. If it's too weak, add more leaves, or raise the water temperature so it's hot enough to extract all the tea's rich flavors. Now, you know how to make a great cup of tea. Enjoy. See you next time.